Today on Rust Belt Air Gun, I'm going to review the CVLIFE JackalHowl 3-9x40 AO rifle scope. I will refer to the scope as just the CVLIFE JackalHowl for the rest of this video. Cedric, a North American sales rep for CVLIFE, reached out and extended an invitation for me to review one of their products. Through Amazon Fulfillment, Cedric provided me with the CVLIFE JackalHowl rifle scope, which I decided to mate to my Daisy Powerline 880 multi-pump air rifle. Disclaimer: I typically purchase the airgun products I review on Rust Belt Air Gun through online and local retailers. CVLIFE provided me the JackalHowl rifle scope free of charge for review. I asked marketing what CVLIFE stands for. Per Cedric, the CV in CVLIFE stands for Country Values, so the full meaning is Country Values for Life. The brand name is pronounced CVLIFE without pause between CV and Life. Amazon Fulfillment did a poor job of packing the CVLIFE JackalHowl rifle scope. There is no packing material, which let the scope's box rattle around inside. Luckily, the scope is well packed in its own box. The CVLIFE JackalHowl rifle scope comes in a stylish black box that can be reused for storage. The left side of the box has what I believe is the model number of this rifle scope, while the bottom of the box has a barcode with what could be the serial number, a description of the rifle scope, that this is a new and not rebuilt item, and the country of manufacture, in this case China. The CVLIFE JackalHowl rifle scope comes well packaged with foam pieces holding it in place. The white box contains 2 Picatinny rail scope rings. There are items in the bottom of the box as well. The box contains the CVLIFE JackalHowl rifle scope, 2 Picatinny rail scope rings with hex key, a chamois and another smaller hex key, a silica gel packet, and of course the obligatory manual. The CVLIFE JackalHowl is a 3x9 magnification rifle scope equipped with a 45mm objective lens. This scope is best for close and medium shooting, which makes it a good match for multi-pump air rifles and .22 rimfire firearm rifles. Multi-coated optics offer the benefits of anti-glare, increased light transmission in low light situations, and increased contrast in color. The CVLIFE JackalHowl rifle scope features a Mildock type reticle. This scope is constructed of a single piece of 1 inch or 25.5mm diameter aircraft aluminum, making it sturdy and shock resistant. It is vacuum purged and filled with nitrogen, making it water, shock, and fog proof. Removable flip-up lens caps protect both the ocular and objective lens when not in use. The CVLIFE JackalHowl rifle scope's length is 13 3/4 inches or 34.9 centimeters. Its width at its widest point is 2.5 inches or 6.35 centimeters. The scope itself weighs 1 pound and 2.4 ounces or 522 grams. The 2 Picatinny rail scope rings add an additional 3.9 ounces, or 110 grams to the overall weight. The user manual indicates that the CVLIFE JackalHowl rifle scope comes with a 1-year limited warranty. The warranty indicates you must contact Amazon customer service for resolution. There are many adjustments on the CVLIFE JackalHowl rifle scope. You must remove the waterproof caps in order to expose the windage and elevation adjustments of the scope. The windage adjustment is located on the right side of the scope. Turn the knob in the direction you wish the projectile's point of impact to go. For example, turn the knob clockwise to move the point of impact to the left. Turn the knob counterclockwise to move the point of impact to the right. The elevation adjustment is located on the top of the scope. Turn the knob in the direction you wish the projectile's point of impact to go. For example, turn the knob clockwise to move the point of impact down. Turn the knob counterclockwise to move the point of impact up. The objective lens of this rifle scope is also adjustable. Adjust for approximate target range in yards and then target sharpness. Align the approximate yardage with the white dot. The ocular lens on this rifle scope is also adjustable. Turn the eyepiece focus for maximum sharpness. This procedure can be used for both windage and elevation. I will be performing this on the elevation adjustment. You must remove the waterproof caps in order to expose the windage and elevation adjustments of the scope. Remove the set screw on top of the knob using the small provided hex key. Rotate the knob to align the 0 with the white dot. Reinstall the set screw and then the waterproof caps. The Daisy Powerline 880 multi-pump air rifle is equipped with an 11mm dovetail mount. An 11mm to 21mm dovetail to Picatinny adapter must be installed, as the CVLIFE JackalHowl rifle scope is equipped with 21mm Picatinny rail scope rings. The 21mm Picatinny rail scope rings are then clamped to the top of the adapter. Mounting the scope with a dovetail to Picatinny adapter does make it difficult to load individual pellets. It can be accomplished using needle nose pliers. The target is approximately 60 feet or 18.28 meters away from my mounted air rifle. The image is crisp and bright. The target sequences were sped up by 2 times as there were long lags between shots, during which I was pumping my Daisy Powerline 880 multi-pump air rifle. I had issues with the splatter burst target curling up due to the humidity. I was able to get 5 out of 6 shots within an inch of the target using the CVLIFE JackalHowl rifle scope. I used thumbtacks to prevent the splatterburst target from curling during my second round of 6 shots. As you can see, my shot grouping was much tighter this round as I was able to get the CVLIFE JackalHowl rifle scope dialed in. Although the CVLIFE JackalHowl rifle scope lacks high-end features like an illuminated reticle or choice of reticle types, it is a great basic rifle scope. I truly enjoyed my time reviewing this rifle scope. It is very well suited for multi-pump air rifles. The clarity, crispness, and image illumination of the scope are exceptional. As the scope is constructed out of a single piece of aircraft aluminum, it is very sturdy and shock resistant. You can purchase the CVLIFE JackalHowl scope using my Amazon referral link in the description. Please like this post and subscribe to Rust Belt Airgun so that you're alerted to my future posts. Thank you.